Hello subscribers, I am your host Christian. Welcome to my channel Tech Chip Nepal. Today in this video I am going to show you the unboxing and review of the latest budget smartphone, which is newly launched by Imars brand. This is Vega X7. I am doing unboxing of this brand because this is the first best smartphone which support not only GSM SIM but also CDMA SIM. You can use CDMA SIM in this phone, which is very good for CDMA users. The looks of this phone was stylish and awesome. Let's see what we get inside the box. Here is something in this case. This is the back cover for the smartphone, provide for the protection of the phone, which usually comes with all the brand of the smartphone. This is the warranty card. And that is the user manual guide for new user. You can see the specification of the phone. Here is given some guidance for the proper use of this phone. You can see we are provided here the universal serial bus USB Type-C cable, which is the latest technology. And here you can see the USB Type-C to 3.5mm audio output jack. And here is the SIM tray key. This is the earphone, which is white in color, looks like this. Here is the fast charger of 2000 mAh for dash charging to USB Type-C cable charger adapter. Now let's talk about the phone and specifications. Here in back you can see dual camera, both of 13 megapixel with dual tone flash. Now it's time to boot up the phone, let's see how it is. It has take 15 seconds in the first boot up. Now let's set up the phone. The most part people notice is the camera of the phone, so let's check out the camera of this phone. According to the budget, the camera quality and features is best and very suitable. Everything in this phone is good, and this is the best smartphone for you under the price of 25,000. If you want to buy this phone or if you want to purchase this phone, go through the link given below in the description and you can purchase one for you. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss an update, and turn on notification. Share this video to all your friends and family to inform them about this cool new CDMA smartphone. Now let's see the specifications. 5.99-inch display, stylish edge phone. This phone is running on Android 8.0 Oreo, with processor MediaTek 6757 CPU 2.53 GHz octa-core CPU, with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of memory. Dual camera with 13MP autofocus. Powerful battery of 4500 mAh, with face lock security.